Welcome to Delft Stack. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through extracting tar.xz WAV files on Linux. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, by the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with methods to handle tar.xz archives efficiently. First, locate the file on your system and open a terminal in that directory. Then run the following command to extract it. Here, the flag -x means extract the contents, -Z filter the archive through exit, and -esp specifies the file name. And that's it. The file has been successfully uncompressed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Delft Stack for more tech tutorials.